put the circlip into the groove in the housing. To make sure it's in, you can push it at different points around. Try not to push it into the rubber. To make sure it's in, you can slide it around inside the groove. So you want 2 bearings on the bottom, 2 bearings on the top. Get piece 2, slide it on. If you need to tap it to make the circlip groove appear properly, to get the circlip in, you can tap it from the top with a rubber mallet. Do not tap on the edges, as these flanges can fold over. Make sure to hit central along here. First, decide where you want your sculpture and trace around with a spade. Slates under each leg until the bubble in the middle is level. Pegs, peg them in near the end.